So if you want to sort the columns, like multiple columns in PySpark here, we can do that. So now we have seen how to sort with one column. Suppose I want to sort the invoice number and the stock code two at the same time. So you can pass the multiple values, multiple column names here inside the dot sort. Here I'll use a invoice number. So first it will sort the column in the ascending way by invoice number, and in that invoice number, whatever the stock codes are, that will be sorting in the ascending order. The first preference will be for this invoice number. Once it has sorted, it will sort all your stock code in the ascending order with respect to the invoice number. You can see that. So invoice number ending with 65656565. So all these 65, whatever 65 invoices contains the stock code, that stock code will be ordered in the ascending order. You can see 2122718484 85, and then with starting with 66, it is again sorting out with the ascending order in the stock code. Here you can do again like one ascending, one descending. You can do that also by just passing on the descending keyword here. Like you can use a data frame function, like a column type function call, and let me put that inside this and use dot descending. Sorry, dot descending. So here you can see invoice number will be sorted in the ascending by default, and this number will be at the top. So 85123 will be at the top because we have used the stock code to be in the descending order. So you can see that. Yeah, you can see it has sorted in the descending order. So for the 65, whatever the stock codes were there, that are arranged in the descending order. So this is how we can do the composite sorting in PySpark.